Hello everyone, so this is part 2 to the latest Dollar Tree shop with me. I was in Dollar Tree for a very long time, so I separated the video into two. This is a little bit of footage from the end of the last video. If you want to see that one, I will have it linked in the description down below. I hope you enjoy the rest of the shop with me at this store. These pizza pans are wonderful for making the tiered trays. If you're needing to make one for yourself, you can spray paint them. I actually need one of these with the holes. I have a DIY in mind, so I'm looking forward to playing around with this and seeing if it works. I'm actually curious what the mug looks like when you're holding it. Oh, it's beautiful. It even has a nice lip. What a beautiful print. This one would be cute for Santa. It's cookies and milk. I've missed out on these a few times. I eyed them and then I walked past them, but Crackle Pop has made a really nice cracker that I've purchased from here before, so I'm willing to give their corn chips a try. I think it'll be a nice treat.
You've got quite a nice store here.
But yeah, that reminds me, I wanted to see if they had the little gnome socks. They have some really cute crew socks with little gnome prints on them. But it looks like these are just, they're not the Christmas ones yet, it doesn't seem. Oh no, there's some here. There's the otters and the little woodland characters. But yeah, these look cozy. I know how much some of you guys love seeing the makeup. I think I'm gonna actually purchase this lip oil. Some of you have been recommending it, so I'm gonna give it a try. It's kind of a newer item that's being found at Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna grab, if they have the Wet n Wild mascara, I'm gonna grab one for my daughter. These are newer too. Has anyone used them? I'm not really sure if they're useful, but yeah. I'll go through the nails as well. These have been selling so fast. The new style, the stiletto coffin styled nails, they have been flying off the shelf. Nothing really super new here today. Oops, some elf items here. There's always some nice elf items. There was, for a while, there were a ton of new elf like products that I kept buying, and now I think I have everything. I'm gonna go down this aisle and see if they have the popcorn containers. I need some popcorn containers for the kids. Did I miss going down here? No, I think I did go down this aisle, didn't I? I need some potpourri again to do another DIY. I love using their clear vases for a lot of the DIYs. This one here, you see the difference? One is taller than the other, and they're not always in stock, the tall ones. So if you need one, grab them when you see them. These storage type containers, or like cookie containers, baked good containers, they sell really quick. So if you see something you like, make sure to buy it. The tins, they linger for a little longer, but the big plastic containers, they tend to sell out a lot faster. There's some really cute prints this year. Every year they come out with cute prints, but they really got me on this one this year. It's so beautiful. This is another really hot item, the candy cane wreath forms. So if you see them, buy one, because the next time you're in, they'll be all gone. Sometimes I've been shopping in the store, I'll start 45 minutes later, I'll be finishing, and something will be completely cleared off. I'll think about it, I'm like, oh, maybe I should buy one of those things. I've been looking for some plain white deco and plain white, red and white. But anyways, I'll come back and I'm like, oh my gosh, they're all gone. It's crazy. That really does happen quite often. found some really cute wrapping paper at a previous Dollar Tree. It had little campers on it and little red trucks. It almost was this color, like this blue. But yeah, I don't see any of it here unless it's already sold out. Oh, this one's cute. It's got the woodland critters. I love the Hallmark Expressions wrapping paper. It has lines in it. It makes it really easy for cutting. Gonna take a sneak peek here at all of the fun novelty candies. See if there's anything for Halloween. I'm going to leave you with a couple little sneak peek clips for my latest Dollar Tree haul, and I think I'm going to insert a couple little clips as well from some newer finds at Dollar Tree, like the elves and wrapping paper. Anyways, until next time, everyone, I hope you enjoyed walking through the store with me, and thank you so very much for watching. Bye for now.
Are turning brown, red and yellow, soon they'll be falling down. Now, I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. The light that flickers will blow away the sun. Just yet, I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. I made a gnome. I said, tell me your story. Got an open and wrote something for me. Then he kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down said, son, when you grow up, you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers, and you'll find what you've got. I met a young man searching for glory. I took out an old pen and wrote in my story. Then I kept walking on down the road. When your time is up, it's time to go. I pray he reads what's on the note and takes to heart what I wrote. I said, son, when you grow up, you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers, and you'll find what you've got. When you grow up, you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers, and you'll find what you've got. Summer is ended, the leaves are turning brown.